truckload of boxes. He's having too much fun. It's 8 seats and 10 sides. Is just too many boxes. If I would have known about how many boxes and how much clutter is going to make, I would have possibly opted for the delivery service. It's going to be a pain. And the sides are kind of light, but seats are tad heavy. I mean, one person can pick it, but it's too broad. And I think you need 2 people to kind of carry it. Not because of the weight primarily, but just the width. Okie dokie, so we'll get started unpacking. As you can see, the whole room is filled, and once we're done, it's just going to be tons and tons of boxes.